Hey guys, glad you could join me. I am doing resin again. I made this little picture holder or note holder or memo holder or whatever you want to call it. I basically made a cube with some flower bits in it. I didn't really like the flowers anyway, so I was using them as a demo to see if I could get it to work. These I got off of Temu. They're just little alligator clips, and then you set it up. I'm sure you have seen these at dollar stores and things like that, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to make these something a little different because you can be a little more creative with it. But it was pretty simple to make. So this is what we're going to make today. I have a cube silicone mold. I think I got a set of 4 different size cubes. Like they fit in each other like those Russian nesting dolls. They just kind of fit different sizes. There's a smaller size, but I feel like this is sturdier with the size without it being too big. I guess you could use the big one and then put a whole bunch of different ones at different heights. That would work too. But I was just, this made more sense to me. So we'll use this. I'm going crazy with the green today. I'm going to use a little bit of this, not as much as I normally would because I still want it to be transparent. And then I have some green stars, green glitter, and then green sparkles, which I guess technically you could count as glitter as well, but it's bigger. So yeah, I'm pretty excited because I like green. I have 60 milliliters mixed up. The way, again, I don't know why I don't do this. If you fill this with water and dump it into a measuring container, it'll tell you how many milliliters you need. But I feel the need to eyeball it. So basically I set this next to the cup and said, well, it's at the 60 mark. So hopefully I don't have too much extra. And I won't waste it. I'll find something to use it in, but I just didn't want too much extra. Okay, I'm just so excited about the green. I don't know where to start. Let's throw in I want enough for it to be seen, but not so much that you can't see everything, you know what I mean? Okay, let me get my scoop. Just a little bit, Jackie. Just a teeny bit. Just a teeny bit. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay, so you can still see the stars, the big glitters, the little glitters. I think that works. And just enough mica powder. Oh, this is mica powder in case you were not aware. Mica powder. I'm sure it's either Temu or it came in a resin kit. Because they'll give you a couple packs. Some of the resin kits come with little packs. Okay. Just enough to give it a hint of green. Okay. The reason, besides the fact that it's green, the reason I wanted to do glitter instead of flowers is because the flowers, couple times that I've used flowers, there's bubbles, and you can't, even if I did it poured it really, really slow, I still always got bubbles. That's not too much extra. I did okay. Now, as you can see, it's bowing a little. The bigger squares come with supports. Here. I can show you. So these big squares come with wood supports. The little guys don't. So you kind of have to finagle, try to use something to try and, is that gonna be, nope, not gonna be tall enough. Maybe this way? I just want it more square. Just, it looks like just that one side is bowing. Okay. Alrighty. Where's my... I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun real quick. Okay. I do like what that's doing. But yeah, the flower ones, I don't know if you can see the bubbles. The bubbles get trapped on the petals, and trying to get them out is not an easy feat. So I kind of just wanted to do something simple that's easily replicated for the video. Alrighty, I'm hoping all the stars don't float to the bottom. I have found that the bigger the glitter pieces, the more they are not float to the bottom, sink to the bottom, and then the lighter stuff will float. So I'm hoping not everything sinks to the bottom. If it does, so be it, but that's my hope. Okay. I will be back once that is set. Guys, it's set. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that out. All the stars, the heavier glitters or whatever you want to call it, sunk to the bottom like I was hoping it wouldn't, but that's fine. We got all the stars at the bottom there. I guess I could make this the top. And then it's just green glitter. Yeah, I think I'll make that the top. It's pretty. Okay. I'm not sure if the first part I mentioned these came from Temu. I'm pretty sure it came in a pack of 10. So yeah, they're probably a couple dollars. I will try to post a link to this, but it was a while ago that I got these, so I'm not 100% sure that I will be able to find them again. So yeah, we'll have one of these. I have my drill with a bit that's about the same size. So I'm gonna drill this. So we're gonna have drilling sounds. That's gonna be the background. Just gonna find the middle, and then I'll drill straight down. Now, I don't want to go too deep, just because I still want some length in the clip, but I want it deep enough to where there's enough resin, the UV resin, for it to be sturdy. Because if you did it too short, then there's a chance of it wiggling out or whatever. I think I did about a little over 1/4 of an inch. Okay. Now I'm using UV resin to attach it. It's easier to do it that way just because, one, it's quicker to solidify. Two, it solidifies really clear. But also the third reason why I'm using this instead of regular resin is because if you use regular resin, it gives this a chance to wiggle around, and then it may not be straight. Although it is a wire, it is kind of bendable. I would kind of want it to be straight. So that's what we're going to go with. I'll put a little bit of resin in first. May have to have a toothpick to push it down in there. Yeah, because there's a bubble stops it. So I'm going to get a toothpick real quick. There we go. Put that in there. One more little drop. Okay. I'm going to try and feed that in there. That bubble really just I'm going to wipe that off the top there. I think that should be sufficient. Let me see. If I put it in there and it starts coming out the top, then it's definitely enough. Yeah. Came out the top a little bit, nothing major. I'm going to work what bubbled out around. Okay. And kind of clean it up a little. Oops. Okay. So, I have my UV light. It's a pretty big light. No need to have it this big if you're just doing small projects. Make sure it's pretty straight. Okay. That looks good to me. I'm going to hold it there and then put the light on there. Shouldn't take too long, but I also like to put it on here for a little longer than necessary just to ensure. Do it for a little longer. I'll actually put it on the side. You can see where the post went all the way through. This will help get to the resin that's at the bottom. Okay. Should be pretty set. Yep, that's nice and clean. So there's your little picture holder. I don't think I have anything. Nope. Try to find something to put in there. Little earring holders. Zoom out. Yep. I guess I can take it outside. I'll take it outside. Hold on. Ignore the background. Look at the pretty stuff here. There. A nice little picture holder or note holder, memo holder, whatever. Now the first one I did, I made this flush so it would sit like this. This one I did kind of catty corner. I guess you can do it however you want. It does have a little bend to it, so you could probably bend it, and I don't know that you'd be able to bend it and bend it back and all that. That may weaken the wire, but I like it. Where's the sunlight? It's blurry. There we go. Nice little sparkles. Okay. So there it is. Nice little picture holder. And yeah, you can do this any color. With the bigger sizes, you could do bigger sizes if you wanted to. I just like this size. This seems pretty even. Obviously, if you wanted bigger clips or multiple clips, I would suggest maybe making it one size bigger, but this little size works pretty well. So, well, stay cool, stay dry, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.